Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to get the transaction node DNS hostname and API keys for your Quorum Blockchain Service Member. Now we're going to follow along part of our documentation here to get this information. Otherwise known as the connection string, the DNS node hostname and its associated API key are in a particular format. Specifically, whether it's HTTP or WebSockets, would be the transaction node on the port specific for that connection method, in this case 3200 for HTTP or 3300 for WebSockets / API key. Now there are a few different ways to get this information. Effectively, we're accessing the QBS API, which is exposed via curl, or you could use Postman, or you can use Swagger, which is on our QBS Management API website. So let's go to Swagger. And the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to authorize against Azure to be able to manage the control plane of your Quorum Blockchain Service Member. So I'm going to click Authorize here. I'm going to use the OAuth2 method. You can also retrieve a bearer token separately if that's something you want to do. We'll authorize. And now that I'm logged in, I can go ahead and close this out. And what we're going to do next is we're going to get details about a blockchain member. We'll expand this out and we'll click Try It Out. And there's a few pieces of information that we need here in order to be able to get the details. We need this Azure subscription ID that your QBS member is deployed, the resource group name it exists, and the name of the blockchain member itself. So we'll navigate to the Azure portal, and in my blockchain member, I can grab my subscription ID, grab my resource group name, which is not this managed resource group, it's this resource group that your QBS member is deployed. And we'll grab the blockchain member name, also known as the managed application name. So let's execute this. Now what we get back here is various bits of information about our blockchain member, but really what we want here is the DNS name itself. So I'm going to copy this, and we'll head over to Notepad and we'll paste it in there for future reference. And then let's go ahead and put port 3200 / and let's go get our API keys now. So we'll scroll down through the API interface and we're going to get list API keys for a blockchain member. Same steps as above. We're going to get our subscription ID and our resource group name and our blockchain member name. And let's execute this. Now we have two keys listed here. That allows you to be able to rotate those keys for security purposes. For example, I'm showing you my API keys right now, so I will rotate these afterwards so you can't access my node. But let's go ahead and grab one of these. We'll copy that. We're going to go ahead and head back over to Notepad and paste it in. This is ultimately your connection string that you'll use to connect into Metamask, Truffle, or any other tools that need to interact with your blockchain directly. Thanks for watching.